ran out of time there, so I'm going to go back. So when you move on from part 2, you're going to move on to part 3, right? We kind of covered that. I'm over talking what I just said because I had to figure out my life. But anyways, when you get to step C, you're going to use the same cereal that you picked for part B, Apple Jacks, for my example. I'm going to take the mean and the standard deviation from that shelf, the top shelf, and input it into Stapplet.com/normal distribution, right? Normal distribution is what I want to look for. So I go to Stapplet, I go to normal distributions, I identify the mean. Let's say it was 15 and the standard deviation was 4.5. I want to sketch the normal curve and show how much cereal is less than my favorite cereal, so less than Apple Jacks. So I would have to input total sugar and then figure out, okay, less than is that left, right, in between. And I'm going to leave that up to you. You should know that from going through the lessons from 2.1 through 2.4. And then you're going to answer number 7. What percent of cereals from that shelf have less sugar than your favorite cereal? Last part is part 3. You are going to write a short report. It's kind of more like a paragraph on why you think your cereal, the one that you chose, for me it was Apple Jacks, is more or less sugary than average. You're going to use the z-score and the normal curve to explain why you think your cereal is more or less sugary. And I'll let you guys read that part, but you should have at least 5 sentences, and I've got some sentence starters. You can also include some definitions. Let's say 2 definitions in your paragraph to help you write your report. And that's essentially your Unit 2 test, your Unit 2 project.